Hi, my name is Susanna, and I'll give you an update on the latest additions made to Axis Site Designer. In our latest release, we've added the option to add folders to help organize your projects. Just create your folder and start moving projects into it. You can either select a project using the checkbox or drag and drop it. To move multiple projects, first select them and then drag and drop them. If you'd like to move your project back to the overview page, you can do it in the same way. When you drag and drop, make sure to drop them on My Projects. We've also added a new type of report. The Total Cost of Ownership report, or TCO report, includes a simulator for TCO calculations. It takes the cost of cameras and servers into account, as well as the required energy and storage. You can also compare your Axis solution to another solution and get an overview of your estimated savings. In a recent release, we made some other additions we hope will be useful. In the map view, we've added more keyboard shortcuts. You now have the option to use keyboard shortcuts to place your selected device on the map using A, toggle blockers using B, add text boxes using T, toggle DORI zones using D, or toggle the measuring tool using M. Another recent addition is a license calculator for Axis Camera Station cloud storage. You can find the calculator via the recording page, and it will help you determine how many licenses you need. Simply input the details for your project. In the summary, you can see how many licenses are required. We hope you found this video of interest. Thank you for watching.